Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to my channel Virtual Study. As you know, we have started our series of solutions for the Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 4. We have started exercise 1.1. Previous video we covered question 1 to question number 5 of this exercise. I will also share the link to that video in the description box below. So without any further delay, let's start with question number 6. Question number 6 is Abdul makes a number sequence. The first term of his sequence is 397. His term to term rule is subtract 3. Abdul says if I keep subtracting 3 from 397, I will eventually reach 0. Is he correct? So we have to tell whether he is correct or not, and we also have to give the explanation of our answer. So let's start. So you know why we do division? We do division when we have to subtract the same number multiple time. Okay, so we have to subtract 3 multiple time. So for that we will do division of 397 with 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9s, and 3 twos are 7 6. So we know that we have remainder of 1. If we would not have any remainder, so then Abdul would be correct. But since now we have a remainder, that is 1, so Abdul is not correct, because upon subtracting 3 multiple times we will eventually not reach to 0. The final number will be 1, and if we subtract more, then we will reach to -2, because then negative integers will start. So I have written this answer for you. Now let's move to next question. Question number 7. Which sequences are linear and which are not? Write the next term for each sequence. Explain your answer to your partner. Okay, now what is linear sequence? Linear sequence is the sequence in which the difference between two consecutive terms is always same. That sequence we call a linear sequence. And in the sequence where difference between two consecutive terms are not same, it's different, so we say this as non-linear. So here you can see that here the difference is 5 numbers. The term to term rule here is plus 5. Now again you can see that here is also term to term rule plus 5. The difference between these two numbers is 5, and here the difference between these two numbers is also 5, and we see that the numbers are increasing, so that is why it is plus 5, because numbers are increasing. And what will be our next number? It will be 19. So yes, this sequence is linear sequence. Now here in the B part, subtract 4. That means we have to subtract 4 every time. 20, 16, 12, and what will be our next number? It will be 8. And term to term rule is -4. So this is also linear, because difference between two consecutive terms, you can see these two consecutive terms, it is 4. In these two consecutive terms, the difference here is also 4. So this is also a linear sequence. Add one more each time. Now here what we have to do, that we have to add one more number each time. For example, here you can see difference is plus 1, and then here it is plus 2. So next time we will have to plus 3. So the next term will be 8, and this is a non-linear sequence. Next is subtract one less each time. So here what we have to do, here we are subtracting 9, and here we are subtracting 8. So next time we will subtract 7 and our next term will be 26. So this is also a non-linear sequence because the difference between each consecutive term is not same each time. It is different every time. Here it is minus 9, then it is minus 8, then this is minus 7. So the difference is not same, so the sequence is non-linear sequence. F part is divide by 2. So what we have to do, we have to divide every time the number by 2. 32 divided by 2, 16. 16 we divided by 2, 8. 8 divided by 2, answer will be 4. Our next term here will be 4. And the difference here is, you can see it is minus 16, minus 8, minus 4. So again the difference is not same. So this sequence is also a non-linear sequence. So we are done with question number 7. Now question number 8. Here is a special pattern. You can see the pattern. This is 1 by 1. This is 2 by 2. This is 3 by 3. Draw the next term in the pattern. This is very simple. We will draw a grid of 4 by 4 square. Let me draw it for you. Here I have drawn this, the next term of the same pattern. And since this is 1 by 1, this is 2 by 2, this is 3 by 3, this is 4 by 4. This is all. We are done with question number 8. Now we have this very interesting exercise, you can say, think like a mathematician. Let's see what here is. These sets of beads have consecutive numbers in the circle. So you can see numbers are consecutive. The numbers add up to the number in the square. When we will add all these numbers, the sum will be this number that is in the square. Okay. Here you can see 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So the answer will be 15 when you will add all these numbers. You will show you are specializing when you identify examples that fit the criteria. The numbers add up the number in the square. And you will show you are generalizing when you notice a way of finding the middle number. So we have to write the numbers here. Let's see. So it has a trick. What the trick it is, that what is the number in the square? It is 27. You will write it here, 27. And how many circles these are, that means how many consecutive numbers you have to write. So this is 1 2 3. So 27 divided by 3, so answer will be 9. Okay, 27 divided by 3, answer will be 9. So you will put this 9 in the middle. Okay, now you will add the next 10, and here it will be 8. Now you can see adding these number 8 plus 9 plus 10, and your answer will be 27. So we are done. Our next B part, again we have a number in the square. That number is 25. And how many circles we are given means how many consecutive numbers we have to write. So we have to write 5 consecutive numbers. So 25 divided by 5 is, answer is 5. Okay, so this 5 we will write in the middle. So now we will write the consecutive numbers. You can again add all these numbers, 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, and you will see that the answer, the sum of these numbers will be 25. So yes, this was all for today, and we have done with exercise 1.1. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share the video and subscribe my channel for more such helpful videos. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.